Hey, Thomas here, and I'm out here with my buddy Joby, or excuse me, this is Neil. Joby's on his way. We've got this ginormous pecan log here. He's running the slabber. We've already cut 2 slabs off, and we just used a chainsaw to cut this section off right here so we can make it all the way down. This is pecan. It's a hard wood. It's nice. I actually had someone else doing some work. But as you can see, we're making our cut now at 3.5 inches. And that is a cut, folks, let me tell you. So once we get over here and get this slab off, we'll stand next to it to show you how large this thing is. This thing is absolutely massive. In fact, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and throw on probably a little bit of a time lapse. Each of these cuts is taking about 10-ish minutes or so. But again, I think we're at like 11 foot long. And the max width on this is going to be about 54 to 56 inches at this crotch section he's coming up to. But it's very impressive. And if you look at the wood, it's going to be pretty. We'll show some water on this in a second. The lighting is not the best as we got this setting sun here, but I've got another big slab over there, and we'll get the water on this, and you'll just be amazed at how good this looks. So stay tuned. This will be a short little video just showing cutting up this log here. Alright, so now we got the whole group here. I got Joby here as well. We're cutting these monster pecan slabs. This is the 4th cut and the 3rd slab to come off. And folks, this is probably going to be some of our the next few slabs, probably the next 3 slabs, 2 to 3 slabs will be our largest slabs. These are monstrous. I'll get a tape on this in a little bit, but for right now I'm going to go and throw in a time lapse. Stay tuned. All right, folks, as you can see, this is pretty stuff. We went ahead and added the water to this. To give you an idea, I'm gonna go ahead and walk up on here. From this to this is 66 inches wide. I mean, this is like walking, just on like a concrete slab. So as you can see the tape right there, about 66 inches wide. The overall length is 11 foot 3 inches. The narrowest section that I'm standing on is at 34 inches. The narrowest section down here is at 55 or 51 inches. So as you can see, very beautiful, very large pecan slab. I'm walking on this thing. It's it's quite large. And this right here, there was like well, the crotch is, I guess there's some water damage there, but it's spalted and it actually has quite a bit of figure and stuff in there. These slabs will be for sale. So far, we have 5 slabs. 1, 2, 3. There's a 4th one over there, and then the 5th one, the first one right over there at like 30-something inches. That's our small slab. So the small slab at 30 inches is not too shabby. So, yeah. If you want to try to purchase some of these, my buddies Neil and Joby, this is their log. I'll have their contact information on there or something like that. But very, very pretty, very, very large slabs. We're cutting all of them right now at about 3.5 to 4 inches just because it's so massive. And the slabs are huge and they are very heavy. So stay tuned. I'll have a few more finishing photos here at the end. All right, folks. So we just cut that up. As you can see, he's missing his middle tire because it flattened out, but we strapped the axle up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slabs on his old fire truck there, and hopefully he'll make it home, but my buddy Tim's gonna follow him behind him. But there's 5 slabs. As you can see, it's dark here. All these slabs and logs and all that's gone, and we have 3 more slabs over there, 1 bottom log section, and the piece that I'm keeping right here. So not too shabby. That's 9 slabs out of that 1 tree. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a quick one, kind of hodgepodge, but now my yard ornament is gone. No more 13,000 pound pecan log here in my front yard, but we do have about 1,000 pounds of sawdust. And if you also saw the little clip I did the other day, the 16-second long little clip, my fire that I had here was blowing embers over to here, and my sawdust was catching fire. So I've now moved my fire over there so I don't have any issues near the sawmill, because that wind changed directions on us, and I kid you not, I had to pour about 15 gallons of water to make all this sawdust stop smoldering. So again, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you around. Actually, you know what? Here, I'm going to throw in some pictures of these slabs at the end so you can see what they look like. But again, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you around. Thanks.